Did you know that some countries have reported over a dozen accidents involving luxury cars such as Rolls-Royce? One of the highest numbers is in China, with about 20 to 30 Rolls-Royce crashes per year. Brace yourself, because today we will take a look at some of the craziest Rolls-Royce accidents around the world. The total damage from all the crashed Rolls-Royces combined could exceed $1 billion. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe and click the bell icon so you won't miss any of our latest videos. A minor traffic accident in China involved a tricycle colliding with a black Rolls-Royce, the Cullinan, turning right when the tricycle suddenly emerged from behind and, unable to brake in time, swerved into the vehicle's right side, leaving deep scratches. Industry insiders estimate the luxury SUV's value at over $1 million, with repair costs potentially exceeding $30,000. Flooding in Dubai is unusual because rainfall is rare, leaving many drivers unprepared for such conditions. Unfortunately, during this unexpected rain, a red Rolls-Royce became stuck on a flooded road, showing how sudden weather can disrupt even luxury vehicles. Here's yet another Rolls-Royce caught out in the flood.
Yo, what the fuck? Yo, what the fuck?
A Rolls-Royce Ghost crashed into a tree along the roadside, resulting in visible damage to the luxury vehicle and briefly disrupting traffic in the area. A dramatic traffic incident unfolded in the Russian city of Makashkala in late December of 2025, when a driver traveling at high speed attempted an evasive maneuver and lost control of the vehicle. In a tense split second, the car narrowly avoided hitting a woman before slamming into a parked Rolls-Royce. While no serious injuries were reported, the incident left the driver facing significant repair costs. It appears that someone was cheating on another person, which led to a confrontation that resulted in the Rolls-Royce being severely vandalized.
Was involved in a scary car crash on Wednesday afternoon in Los Angeles. The momager's $250,000 Rolls-Royce was wrecked when a Prius reportedly ran a red light and hit her. Both cars were towed off the freeway near the 101. Chris told E!
A brand new Rolls-Royce Spectre was involved in a severe road accident, resulting in extensive damage to the vehicle. The impact appears to have been heavy. The side of the vehicle was completely torn off, leaving the luxury car significantly damaged. This is why you should avoid getting too close to a truck while driving a Rolls-Royce.
Oh, no, la policía, no. Oh.
A man captures a striking scene that shows what Dubai looks like after a period of heavy rainfall, showing how the streets are overwhelmed, with high-end luxury cars trapped in the floodwaters. The video highlights the dramatic contrast between the city's reputation for wealth and glamour and the unexpected power of nature as high-end vehicles are left helpless against the rushing water. An automatic bollard accidentally rise and hit the bumper of a Rolls-Royce Wraith in Monaco. The key question is, who is responsible for covering the repair costs? In October 2020, in Walsall, England, a costly collision occurred when a Rolls-Royce Ghost crashed into a Lamborghini Urus and at least one other vehicle, after which the Rolls-Royce driver fled the scene. The West Midlands Police tweeted that the driver appeared unable to handle the car in the conditions and left before officers arrived. And the incident drew attention because both cars are extremely high-value luxury vehicles, making the crash unusually expensive, despite no serious injuries being reported. I bet that this Rolls-Royce driver is either drunk or on drugs. Here shows a viral video of a Rolls-Royce Ghost being crushed between two trailer lorries at the North Tunnel of Malaysia, causing a 7.5 kilometers traffic jam. The accident reportedly occurred when a trailer with air brake issues rebounded into traffic, trapping the Rolls-Royce between two trucks. Despite the severe damage, the passenger cabin remained intact, allowing the occupants to survive, which drew praise from netizens and highlighted the brand's renowned safety and durability. Key reasons: Rolls-Royce vehicles command prices of over 1 million Malaysian ringgits and are favored by VIPs worldwide. A customer at Rolls-Royce showroom in Malone accidentally pressed the gas pedal while inspecting a car in the Bavaria Auto Center showroom, causing it to move and smash a window. According to the PR manager, the incident, which left the car's front and interior damaged, is under investigation, and police are at the scene. Earlier, reports also surfaced of an unknown person ramming a window at the auto center with a Rolls-Royce Ghost.
Сваливай.
It appears that a food delivery driver has just collided with a side door of a Rolls-Royce, leaving the door significantly damaged.
Oh, yo.
Here's a Rolls-Royce Phantom being towed away following a serious multi-vehicle collision. The luxury car, severely damaged in the crash, drew attention as it was carefully loaded onto the tow truck, marking the aftermath of a chaotic accident. I'm not sure how many Rolls-Royce crashes in China are shown in this video, but it seems that these accidents are becoming increasingly severe compared to others.
Wow, 买一把火。
这劳斯莱斯。
劳斯莱斯。
你妈，真牛批啊！主驾驶 AD 座跌都没变。
这劳斯莱斯真金实。
我你妈在小米上，我你妈还火，现网上好多人就像蹭往上涨。
绵竹高速口，小米有气，我操！新车，我操，透死了，
真牛逼啊！
I have a feeling this guy is going to give his insurance agent a real headache after witnessing this incident.
我操，别进去了！
那轴断了，那前面那轴断了，应该是
踏了。
肯定轴断了，要不磨不好那样的。
我操！那大50，我操！
In September 2018, the rapper Post Malone's white Rolls-Royce was severely damaged after crashing through a fence following a collision with another car on a motorway near West Hollywood and Beverly Hills, Los Angeles. Just after 3:30 a.m., police confirmed several people were treated at the scene, but no one was seriously injured, and there were no reports of alcohol or drug involvement. So the cause of the crash remains unclear. Well guys, that's it for today. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.